Okay, hello everyone. Again, y'all, this is day 16, and we are going to look now at the exit ticket. It's inside the orange folder. We're looking at the quadratic formula here. Oh, also, I'm going to go back. Guys, the quad formula solver, I opened it up. I opened a different tab. It's sitting right here. We're going to use it, solve every problem. All right, let's open this up. Again, the exit ticket is right here. Guys, open it up. All right, and I already have it open right here. All right, hopefully you're there, guys. Problem number one. Guys, the key to these is get them in standard form. This has to be equal to 0. And this says 21 on this side. We got to get it to the other side. Subtract 21 from both sides. Okay? So now we have 12x squared plus 3x minus 21 equals 0. We can write it like that. Okay? So we have our A, B, and C right there. Let's go to the quad formula solver and plug it in. All right, our A was 12. Again, I'm using my tab button, tab. I mean, you can use your mouse and just click over there if you want. It's just kind of easy to use the tab. B was 3. And C was negative 21. All right? Y'all, the answer is right there. The root pair. Hopefully you see what I'm doing here. That's the answer. Now, of course, the answer is right here, too. All right, but that's a big, long decimal. All right, the answer we're looking for in the multiple choice part of the exit ticket is written in radical form. Anyway, the denominator is 8. You can see that. And there's a square root of 113. So you should be able to see where the answer is. All right. See it right here. Okay. Guys, these answers are written in with one fraction. But the answer in the, let's go back. The answer in the formula solver is in 2 separate terms. But don't worry about that. Just put them together. They have a common denominator of 8. All right. Don't let that bother you. Oops. Let's go on. All right. We got to kind of hustle here. I got to subtract 8 from both sides first to get it in standard form. So this is 8x squared plus 8x minus 8 equals 0. 8, 8, negative 8. All right, go to the quad formula solver. This was 8 tab, negative 8. All right. Guys, there's the answer right there. 1/2 plus or minus the square root of 5 over 2. All right, you should be able to see your answer from there. Negative 1 is what it said, I do believe. Negative 1. Yep, negative 1. That's the key. I see the answer. All right, number 3. All right, number 3 again, you got to get the 8x to the other side. Subtract 8x from both sides. All right, so we have 12x squared minus 8x minus 11 equals 0. Okay, guys, make sure that the 8x goes in the middle here. That's the B. The negative 8 is B. All right, go to the quad formula solver. You got 12, negative 8, 11, or negative 11. All right, you got 12, negative 8, negative 11. All right, there's our answer right there. Now that says 1/3 plus or minus the square root of 37 over 6. That says 1/3. So to get a common denominator, that 1/3 we'd have to write as 2/6. All right, but the square root of 37 should help you there. Yep, I see it right there. Square root of 37. Again, that becomes a 2 on top. They're combining it there. All right, next. Let's take both of these to the other side, minus 17, and add 4x to both sides. I'm just not going to write it over here. I'll write it over here. We have 7x squared now. We have plus 4x. We have minus 17. And now it equals 0. That's the ABC right there. 7 tab 4 tab negative 17. All right, there's our answer right there. All right, negative 2 over 7 plus or minus the square root of 123 over 7. All right, yep, I see the answer. That's right there. All right, how about this one? Subtract 6x. Again, over here as well, both sides. X squared minus 6x minus 5 equals 0. All right, back to the solver. X squared means it's 1. Negative 6. Negative 5. All right, it's 3. Plus or minus the square root of 14. Right there, 3. No fraction needed. All right, now we're looking at number 6. How many of these are there? Oh, not too many. All right, number 6, add 7 to both sides. This becomes 12 x squared plus 4x plus 7 equals 0. All right, A, B, C. Put them in there. This is 12, 4, 7. Uh-oh, it has complex roots. All right? There's no solution is what that means, guys. Don't let these roots freak you out here. Complex roots, it never touches the x-axis, okay? You probably see the answer there, no solution, okay? All right, this one we got a bunch of combining to do. I got to subtract 8x squared from both sides. I'm going to take away 8x squared from right there. And I got to subtract 7x from right there. The negative 19 is okay. So 17 minus 8, that's 9x squared. 18 minus 7, what is that, 11? 11x. Negative 19 comes along for the ride. All right, ABC, 9, 11, negative 19. 9, 11, negative 19. All right, negative 11 over 18, plus or minus the square root of 805. The square root of 805 over 18. All right, that should be pretty simple to find. Yeah, it's right there. 805 over 18. That's it. 11, yep. All right. Last one. Already in standard form. All right, the B is 0. There's no B here. B is 0. C is negative 3. All right, let's do it. Back to the quad solver. A was 9. B was 0. And C was negative 3. All right, pretty sweet. It's just plus or minus the square root of 3 over 3. Plus or minus the square root of 3 over 3. That's what it says right there. All right. Yep, just go ahead and take it. Guys, I hope that helps. I'm running out of time, so I have to stop. All right, thanks for just listening.